Okay, here's the 2003 Carrier 38 YCC 2.5 ton heat pump running in heat mode. I just asked permission to get a video of it starting up, and I turned the thermostat from 73 to 74. Get it to kick on. It would be great if it would defrost. Who knows? I should have turned it to 75, but oh well. It's nice and warm. That's a little cool. Oil's cold. It's only about 40 degrees today though. So cool. So you got the startup?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. If you kick snow in the coils, I wonder if it will defrost eventually.
Is it an interval?
Yeah, it should be. It has a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And a GE fan motor. So that's cool. I now have permission to film this unit. You happy?
Yes.
Nice. Did it sound good?
It sounded great.
Alright. Good old Bristol.
Yeah.
Alright. So that's it running in heat mode. I'm going to set up the camera, and if something happens, we'll, yeah.
The defrost will be back.